Welcome to RAS Autotyper Software Services. 100% accurate and untraceable. This video shows you how to use Autotyper software in a form-filling project. As part of the autotyping process, we must convert all JPG images into an Excel file. Here is the JPG image in which we will convert the data into Excel. Our conversion software will extract the data from the image and arrange it row-wise and column-wise in Excel. Image to Excel conversion will not get 100% accuracy. We have to correct spelling or space mistakes manually only. Now open client-provided form-filling software. Launch the RAS Autotyper software. Select Excel and upload it into autotyping software by clicking the Select Excel button. Forms or record numbers will appear on the RAS Autotyper. A speed adjusting option is there in RAS Autotyper to adjust autotyping speed. Select the record number, press the Start Autotyping button, and immediately place the cursor in the form-filling software's first column. RAS Autotyper simulates the keyboard strokes of your computer keyboard and autotypes the Excel data into a client-provided form-filling application. RAS Autotyper automates the Excel data into form-filling software. While autotyping is running, don't touch your computer keyboard or mouse. If you press anything on the keyboard, the typing focus of autotype will go outside, and autotyping will be interrupted. Thanks for watching. Using our form-filling autotyper software, your company will not be able to identify. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.